Hey Muse Mob, it's your girl Cheryl, and today I am going to show you one of my favorite products from the Muse Cosmetics Silk Lash line, all cruelty free, no animal products. Today's favorite lash, because they're all my favorite, is the Muse MiMi lash. Before I show you the MiMi lash, I just want to remind you guys, every Tuesday and Saturday, tune into our channel and see what's new. We go all over the place. We don't just talk about beauty, we talk about fashion, lifestyle, budget, anything to help you save money and be beautiful at the same time. So hit the subscribe button, please don't forget. Hit the like button. Only hit the don't like button if you absolutely have to, but thumbs up is always appreciated. Okay guys, lash time. As you can see, I have one lash holding on from when I recently have lash extensions, which I'm done, by the way. Yes, they made my lashes a lot thinner. My natural lashes are actually pretty thick, but those lash extensions didn't do me any justice, so I'm going back to using my strip lashes. I don't care, I'll have to do it. It is what it is. Okay, so let's get into some supplies that we need. I like the classics, the oldie but goodies duo. Personally, this right now is my favorite lash glue. I tried a couple other ones, the Kiss lash glue. I really didn't like that. When it dried kind of shiny. I just think this has a better hold. I don't like using hair glue, even though I know that's a favorite for some. But if you know a better glue than duo, let me know. Definitely need mascara to prime those lashes. I'll use any mascara, but today I'm using this Clinique High Impact Mascara. My friend, she hooked me up. She works at Century 21 in New York, so she hooks me up with this stuff. So that's what I'm going to use. You definitely need mascara to prime the lash prior to applying the lash. It helps it blend your natural lash in with the false lash, but more than anything, it helps it last longer. Please, ladies, trim your lashes. If you check out our video, which I'll put the link in this description, on how to apply lashes, we go in more depth on how to apply them. So I'll skip a lot of the steps. You can check out that video if you have any questions. Okay, you guys, so this is the Muse cruelty-free silk lash. It's very high quality, okay? Durable, you can reuse them. They were handmade and designed by me, custom design, right? You get this little cute little packaging. Let me just give you a little better look at the MiMi lash. Now, this is one of our more natural lashes to our lash line. If you go on our website, musemob.com, you'll see our other lashes and see that they're pretty thick. Even though this is one of our least dramatic, they're still pretty dramatic compared to a lot of the other brands. No offense to the other brands. Well, as you can see, my lash is already trimmed because I've used them already. So because I've used them a couple times and cleaned them, I'm going to reshape them, put the curve back in it by just wrapping my lash around my pinky. Just like so. You can wrap it around your wand, a brush, or anything. It just helps get that curl back. Okay, now I'm gonna apply my glue. If you're not a pro, I say use a toothpick, not a Q-tip, but a toothpick, because you'll have more control over the glue. But you know, I do this pretty regularly. So what I do is I like to put a big ball on each end first, right? And just drag that ball across. I like my ends and the middles to have the most glue, because those seem to come up, especially with corners. So I'm gonna make sure my corners are pretty good and covered, right? I don't like using a ton of glue because I reuse these and I don't want it to be too much of a glue boogery mess. So I just use a little thin layer. See? Let me show you. to get this hand thing down pat. Whoa, you see? Okay, while our lashes are drying, because we don't apply them wet, and I don't really listen to the directions when it says wait 10 to 20 seconds. To me, that's not long enough. I like to wait until they're practically 98% dry. The wetness and the glue, when it's not dry or tacky enough, it takes away your control, and that's when you make a glue mess. That's when it doesn't stick to your lashes, and then you get frustrated and you're done. So I like to wait until it's practically almost dry. One, because it makes less of a mess and you don't have to clean it up later. And two, if you need to adjust it, it's very simple because it's almost like a goo. Okay, so while that's drying, I am going to add my mascara, whatever. And see, what I do is this is professionally, you shouldn't do this in front of a client, but this is my own personal wand. So I just wipe the sides off because you don't want to just dip it with all that product on it right away. Okay, so I start from the base up. That's how I do it. Base up. My eyelashes are so much thinner since I did those lash extensions. Never again. No, thank you. Okay, I have plenty of product on here, so I'm just gonna do the other lash. Base up. Look at that one lash extension holding on for dear life. That's the craziness. That one lash. And people are like, why don't you just rip it out? Well, I don't want to rip out the little bit of lashes that I have. Okay. So, we're going to check on our lashes and see if they're dry. Okay, they are, sounded real country there for a second, it came out of me. They are pretty much dry like I like it. So I actually let it get a little bit more dry because let me just give it a little blow. Because I like it to just go on. I'm one of those people that get impatient when it doesn't go on the first shot. Okay, so I lean in, I tip my chin down, and let's move this beautiful hair out the way. And I take each corner and I kind of guide it so I'm in the middle of my lash line. I kind of drop and release. So now I can work it. See, it's still a little bit wetter than I like, but do you see how much easier it was and less of a mess when we let it get real tacky? I just want you guys to see the difference. I let this one dry and I didn't let this one dry right, so I made a little mess. But they're both on the MiMi lash. Very natural, right, girl? Okay, now that my lashes are nice and dried and set, I'll take some eye makeup remover. Any kind is fine. A Q-tip or a cotton swab. And I'll just make sure it's wipe it off the excess product on the back of my hand. And I'll just go around and clean up that glue mess that I made. Because I was getting impatient. See, I don't have as much of the glue mess. I'm gonna do a little adjusting though. Alright, and then we're just gonna go around the eye and clean that eye with the eye makeup remover until you get all the glue off. Be gentle. You don't want to snag at your eyelashes. Now we're going to add a little mascara to just finish our look. This lash isn't completely dry because you can still see a little bit of the glue. But because I use dark glue, it's going to look like a liner when it dries, more of a dramatic look. The whole point of the mascara is not just to add more drama, but to make sure it's nice and blended and you do not see the look of the strip lash. Okay, Muse Mob, thank you for tuning in to today's YouTube video. Guess what? We have another one coming out in a few days. Make sure you don't miss it. Make sure you subscribe. And don't forget to punch the like button. Follow us on Instagram at Muse Cosmetics. Follow us on Snapchat at Muse Cosmetics. Follow us on Twitter at Muse Cosmetics. Like us on Facebook at musemob.com. So you guys, we will see you in a few days. Let us know what you think about the video. And don't forget to check out the MiMi lash on musemob.com. See you soon. Bye-bye.